In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a new list in Aweber. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Aweber account and you are on the main dashboard. We are going to use the quick menu, which is designed to help you find actions fast without hunting through the full navigation. First, click the quick menu. In the search field, type Create List. As you type, Aweber will narrow down the options so you can jump straight to the right tool. When you see the option for Create New List, select it to open the list setup process. Now you will enter some basic business details. Start by typing your company name. This is often shown in places where subscribers see who the emails are coming from, so use a name that your audience will recognize. Next, enter your website. If you have more than one site, use the one that best matches the audience you plan to add to this list. After that, choose your sender address. This is the address Aweber uses for messages sent from this list. You may be able to pick an address you already have on file, or you can enter one. Make sure it is an address you monitor, since replies and delivery notices may go there. Once those fields are complete, click Next Step. On the next screen, you will name your list and add a short description. The name should help you identify the list later, especially if you manage multiple audiences or brands. Keep it specific and clear. Then write a brief description that explains what subscribers can expect, such as the type of content you will send and the general purpose of the list. When you are ready, click Next Step again. Now you will set your confirmation message options. These settings control how subscription confirmation is handled and what message new subscribers receive during the sign-up process. Choose the confirmation message settings that match your workflow and the experience you want new subscribers to have. Finally, review what you have entered, and when everything looks correct, click Create List. Aweber will generate the new list and you will be ready to start adding subscribers and sending messages from it. And that is all there is to it.